Here is a close look at these GorillaFelt chair pads. We recently converted to laminate flooring, so we wanted to make sure that it would be safe, and these pads have definitely done the trick. We've added them to every single one of our chairs here, the ones around our kitchen table, the ones in the other room as well. Here is how they look. So as you see here, this is on a wooden chair and they go in very easily. They stay firm. This is how they look. They seem to capture a bit of hair, but it's very easy to just quickly remove some of that hair. Even then though, they'll be on the ground, so it's not too big a deal. And they add just a teensy bit of height to the chairs. Sorry for showing you my dirty floors, but there's kind of a little bit of the height that you can expect here. So it's really no more than, I don't even know, a centimeter, a millimeter, really tiny. Doesn't make a ton of difference in terms of height, but they work very well. So here's how they slide like that. Very functional. They keep the floors protected, and that is what is most important.